Hello, dear students. This is Mushtaq from MC Society Institute of Pharmacy, Azam campus. Today, we are going to learn the topic known as definition and scope of pharmacology. Outcomes of this lecture is you will be able to explain the scope of pharmacology and toxicology. The scope of pharmacology is very wide because it is derived from various disciplines of science like physiology, microbiology, pathology, biochemistry, and other clinical specialties. Since it is connected to many subjects, hence it has a very wide scope and it covers ground from the basic screening of drugs, start of finding out the drug and its application in animals, which is called as preclinical studies. That means we will find out first the drug which is have some effect to treat the disease, and we will apply it on animals, and finally later it comes a stage in which we will treat the disease. So in pharmacology we cover from basic screening of drugs to their safe application in treatment of disease. The scope of pharmacology also includes the study of history, source, physical and chemical properties, biochemical and physiological effects, mechanism of action, and therapeutic uses of drugs. That means if you are finding out a new drug, so what happens now? First, we will study about the drug history, whether it has been used previous in any disorder or what property it is had been stated in previous scientists, etc. So from starting with the history, okay, after that we'll find out the source from where we can get. After that we'll test the physical and chemical properties, and then we will test on animals and humans for its biochemical and physiological effects. When it shows the effects, we find out by which mechanism it shows the effect, and later we use the drug in treatment of various disorders, that is therapeutic uses. So we use this drug to treat many disorders upon its pharmacological application or knowledge. So hence we can say it has a wide scope, starting from the development of new drugs and formation of clinical guidelines for the safe and effective use of drugs for prevention of disease and relief of symptoms. Means the pharmacology covers entire era. That means starting from the find out of new drug until its safe application to the patient for the treatment of disease. So it has this much scope. Thus, the pharmacology is not only a basic of drug therapy but a basic science of medicines. So we learn entire thing about medicines in pharmacology. So the tool by which, means the main ingredient or main source by which we study the pharmacological affects everything is active compounds. What are active compounds? The compounds which has the ability to change the physical or physiological and biological process in our body. So if that agent has a property to change the normal physiology or abnormal physiology in our body, then we called it as an active compound, and this is used for application in various disease and disorders. So this is our active compound of our tool of pharmacology. Hence it is derived from various sciences. So we will see a short outlook. That's this pharmacology has basic branches, which has already we learned that pharmacology has pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics, and it is connected with various systems like neuropharmacology, cardiovascular pharmacology, gastrointestinal pharmacology. Means what? That we separate the drugs into classes, and these classes are grouped as the drugs which are used in the treatment of the disorders of cardiovascular system, like the drugs which are used to treat angina pectoris, the drugs which are used to treat hypertension, the drugs which are used to treat atherosclerosis. All these are the disorders of cardiovascular system. Hence we group our drugs which are effective in particular system, then it is called systemic pharmacology, and normally we called it as cardiovascular pharmacology or respiratory pharmacology, etc. And again further it has been connected with the various departments, like if you study genetics, we apply the knowledge of drugs on genetics, we call it as pharmacogenetics. If you study of genomics with the application in drugs, we call it as pharmacogenomics. If you study drugs in case of epidemiology, we call it as pharmacoepidemiology, etc. Same thing if we study the drug which are acting on psychology, we call as psychopharmacology. If we are using the drugs on veterinary medicines, we call it as veterinary pharmacology. Pharmacology means basic the study of effects of drug. So if we study on animals, we call it as veterinary pharmacology. If you study the effects through biotechnology, we call it as biopharmaceutics. If you study with the poisons, we call it as toxicology. So it has a very wide scope and connected to many fields, many disciplines of sciences. Hence we call it as science of medicines. So what we have learned today, so pharmacology has very wide scope because it is derived from various branches of science like pathology, physiology, biochemistry, microbiology, etc. And it start the pharmacology has scope from finding of new drugs until its safe application in the treatment of diseases. Thanks a lot.